get home and eat, and then try and fix my furry so that I can go and test it before we get on.
Okay.
Oh my god,
so he doesn't become a puddle.
That's my call.
Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! I need to call 911. I need to call 911 right now. Hold on.
Holy shit.
Like, a really bad car accident just happened right in front of me.
Oh my god.
I need to hang up.
Jesus Christ, dog.